Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is Tech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss about the most anticipated thing, that is the TCS salary hike and the new compensation letters, that is basically with the new salary structure. We are going to discuss about the new compensation letters, we are going to discuss about the salary hike details, we are going to discuss the percentage hike that the employees have got and how much hike you can expect, or if you have not received the letters. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The number one thing that I want you all to do is to please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get regular updates about the videos that we post online, and you will be getting a complete analysis of the entire IT sector and the news. So the first important thing is regarding salary hike. Now you might already know there are around 6 lakh employees at TCS who are waiting eagerly for their salary hike. And last night around 11:30 p.m., okay, the management released the compensation letters. Now let me just turn on the pointer real quick and we will discuss everything in detail. The first important thing that the company told in the marketing things, right, that there will be a double digit salary hike also for the TCS employees. But let me tell you what exactly this means. The company did not consider two digits, okay, as double digit. It was like 1.2%, 2.5%, or 3.4%. This is what the double digit salary hike was according to the HR management, or I would say the TCS management. There are no layoffs, they are just doing smart management. And what do I mean by that? Okay, so the real plan of the company, what I feel, and a lot of people might agree with me, is that they want to create more dependency. They want to push people into critical situations and critical roles, and then leave them stranded over there in those critical roles without any help or without any assistance, and then they just simply give peanuts as hike. So if you look at 1.2%, 2.5%, 3%, okay, the annual inflation rate in India is around 6 to 7%. And if you are giving something which is below than that, then I think it will be very difficult for the employees to manage with that kind of salary hike. The second important thing that I wanted to highlight is that the band reality check. Now, if you observe that the last time, if you were getting a C band, okay, in the last financial year, if you were getting a C band, then you would have roughly got around 5,000 of rupees of hike, considering you have a decent salary or a package. But this time for B band also, they are providing only 4,000 rupees salary hike. And this is, I'm talking about the higher salary bands, okay, not the freshers. This is about people who are lateral joiners or people who are having good experience in the company. And now, if you look at some of the people, some of the business units, their employees have got C band and their salary was reduced. Yes, you heard it right. On C band also, their salary has been reduced for some of the employees. Definitely, some of the good business units which are doing really well, exceptionally well, which implies AI and other cloud infrastructure, setting up all does that for the clients, they might have got a better salary hike on C band. But people who are not like performing, or I would say the business unit is not performing, in that case, people have got negative salary deductions also. And this is a big reason to worry, because people who got C band, okay, it totally depends on the team size, and the team cannot be given, all of the people cannot be given A band or B band, right? There has to be some of the people who are giving A band, which are highly productive and they are working their like heads out, right? Second people can be B band, then C band, right? And everyone cannot get A or B band, right? Then some people might definitely get C band or D band also. And D band, then the company might put you into PIP, that is performance improvement plan. And for C band, they are now reducing the salaries for some of the business unit. If you are someone whose salary has been reduced, please let us know in the comment section what was your exact percentage of the salary that was removed or deducted, okay, after you got the C band or D band. Okay, the next important thing that I wanted to discuss with you is that you might already know that there is a lot of dependencies, there will be more work, there will be more meetings, there will be more ownership, and there will be a higher amount of reporting. I have observed a friend of mine who was reporting to three managers, who was working for three managers. Guys, just imagine, how would you prioritize the work given by one manager over the other? How you will manage all these works under timelines? It is really difficult when you're working with three different managers who have a different type of managing the employees. So this is again a very big problem. There will be critical situations, you will be left stranded. And the worst part is that your hike, you will be getting peanuts for what you have worked. So basically, this is going to be the new normal in the big IT companies. The TCS has clearly mentioned that they will be giving like double digit salary hikes also, but still now I have not seen anyone of our subscribers or of our viewers who have got a double digit salary hike. The highest salary hike that I've seen is around 9%. Okay, so top performers with the A band also got 9%, and they are now right now celebrating, because if you are getting 9% at a company like TCS or Infosys or even Wipro, then that can be considered as a good amount, fairly good amount, right? And B band people mostly, okay, who are experienced or who are freshers, they got less than 3% of the salary hike. Now just imagine someone who is joining TCS as a fresher and working at TCS for 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, and they are at the end getting only 3% salary hike, which is heartbreaking for me. And this is the reason why I feel you should start planning to switch your company, because then only you will be getting the good exposure and you'll be getting a better salary hike. Recently I met a guy who was on site for 2 years in Netherlands, and that guy told me that I was not able to save anything. I was not able to save any a single penny, because that guy was married, wife was not working, and he had 2 kids. He was there at TCS for around 10 years, and in that 10 years his salary increased from 3 lakh to only 10 lakh rupees. So after 10 years the person returned back to India and now is finding a new job. The person was working in COBOL language, and there are very less openings if you look at India when it comes to COBOL, because there can be some openings which are there in the bank domain, but for this person who has spent 10 years in one particular company, it is difficult for him to switch, and he does not idealize that like switch early as possible. He idealizes basically staying at the company for a longer duration of time, commitment, dedication, and all those things. And when he is going right now into the job market, he is scared to take multiple offers. I'm not sure what is the reason. Please let us know in the comment section if you feel that this is a good thing or a bad thing. Okay, now on an average it seems that around 5.6% of the salary hike is given for A band, okay, which is pretty decent I would say, but for A band it is terrible. Okay, 5.6%, 7% is okayish, because that is what you can expect from the company, and I don't feel that something more than that you can expect from this company, considering the management, considering how they're cutting the cost, how they are planning to restructure the organization, or how you they are planning to reduce the headcount. Okay, so they are following all the strategies. They have hired a lot of consulting companies, how they can turn profitable, how they can utilize AI, and how they can basically like increase their profits. The only thing that the company is worried about right now is increasing the profits and making sure that they have a future. And this is where TCS is like doing all those things like salary hikes, hiring, okay, I would say new technical stack development, and providing solutions to the client, and all those things which are present. Okay, so now just wanted to let you know guys that A band it seems like 5.6%, for B band it is less than 3%. This is what the we have seen so far from our viewers, from our subscribers. Okay, I hope that this point is also clear. Now there is one more important thing. Now you might be asking me what exactly is the change in the salary structure as per the new labor laws. Okay, a lot of people have mentioned that all the salary hike that has happened, it has happened in the variable pay, and that will also be deducted for the senior roles if the business is not performing well. And yes, that is a true story guys. I will be creating a dedicated video, like I will be discussing everything in detail about the salary that has changed. I need to analyze a lot of salary slips first, or the compensation letters, and once that is done, I will share everything, all the info with you guys, and then you can take a decision whether you are happy with the salary hike that you have got or not. Okay, till then keep watching our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. We also have a YouTube channel called as Jobs Tracker. You can go and subscribe to that, and we will be sharing regular updates about the IT industry over there also. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. Thank you so much and have a great day.